I'm going to open up what I haven't opened up yet. I've never opened this, right? Still the seal, as you can see. So this is, I better put it in there. What board is this? This is the board game. Why is board game 2 words? Board game unboxing. Didn't realize I got 3 hours on my own. Right, so this is Batman, Savior. Yes. Usually, nope. So you see. Wait. S-A-V-I. S-A-V-I-O. It tells me that's the wrong spelling, but it's here. Weird. Maybe it's supposed to be you. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to try this. So, yes. You Americans don't know how to spell. Serious, look. It's supposed to be you over here. Before the R. It's red lining on there. Okay, of Gotham City. And then we'll get onto this. But like seriously, man, like I know you guys do your Z's and all that instead of S's, but it's just yeah, you got me there. You really got me. You got me now, Kinks. Girl, you really got me now. You got me so I can't get it. Oh, yeah. Love that song. Grew up listening to it. That's what probably got me into metal as well. Right. The great unboxing of the board game spelt wrong. Americanized. So this retails at 69 New Zealand. Right. But however, I got it at half price. And that's probably the only reason I buy it. Because really, like I said, I'm not out here rich, right? I'm out here trying to make a living, right? Make a living without actually working physically every day of the week. So I'm out here trying to make a living by doing all these, creating comic books and stuff and trying to put up Patreon and whatever. And so, right. $35 New Zealand, half priced from $68. Was that 69? 60. I'm not going to go there. All right. But it was $69, by the way. So this is it. Right. So get on the shoulder. So it says here, ages 8+, players 2 to 8, time 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Yep. The artwork. Gosh, I wonder who did the artwork because this is beautiful. I wonder if it kind of looks like Jim Lee. Right. Beautiful box. Kind of wish I kept the plastic, but I'm going to put it in a big plastic bag so it stays nice and mint. The first thing you see is the game book. Game rules and scenario. All right. It's very short, which is pretty cool. Of course, you got Bane on the back, the breaker of Batman's back. And of course, there's been some controversy this week about Bane, right? From the director of Blue Beetle, right? And of course, he got all controversial about putting that stupid line in the trailer. I don't know what it is about leftists or those people who like want to ruin everything. That like they just can't leave heroes alone. So anyway, so here we go. But I don't want to get there. So, but I mean, I shouldn't even say leftists, but people who want to do that, right? It's not always leftists. It's people who want to ruin things. Like in the old days, it was like Dungeons and Dragons. So you got that. So the next one is just people. I think when politicizer, it just gets stupid. So this is Joker. Is that Arkham? Yep. Power levels. You get all these. It's pretty crazy. These cards are pretty big, right? Like I said, I've never opened it. So you got heroes. So I guess that the other side would be villains. So let's have a look at these amazing little cards and see what they're like. So, right, so you got Joker. Yep, villains at the back. You got Penguin. You got Poison Ivy. Redhead. Love redheads. Always have. Always will. Gustav Klimt is one of my favorite artists. It's probably my favorite artist, to be honest. I've got his painting up somewhere. And a book. So, yeah, so Poison Ivy. Another villain. You can't have, cannot not have Harley Quinn. And of course, as you know, Harley Quinn came about from the, animated series, right? And probably because fans love the character so much, right? And, you just got to give fans what they want, man. Bane, Two-Face, and now we go to the heroes. Another redhead, Batgirl, Catwoman, right? Gorgeous, as always. Nightwing in his tights. And Batman. So, let's see. We got four heroes. 4 heroes going up against 6 villains. So, I would like to know, where's Robin? Where's Batwoman? I mean, that'd be cool, right? Or maybe Talia. Talia could be like the 6th person. So you got all these cute little, well, they are actually. They're quite cute, right? And what's the Japanese name for cute? I've forgotten now. Right, so you got those little token cards, I guess, of each one. I'm not going to pop them out yet. And then you've got the counters. And I didn't realize, but on the back, they've got art as well on these ones. So I guess you get the villains and you got the heroes tokens. And so you've got, where is that? The bomb detonator, bomb 1, nuclear fuel, priming key, molecule, poison, machine, all these different things. So you got like, what is that one? Ooh. Mr. Freeze's gun, Joker's laughing gas. Pretty cool, right? And you've also got journalists too. You're also journalists. Hopefully it's not a Kotaku journalist, right? All right, there you go. So cool. What is it? Decontamination of radioactivity. It's over that one there. Then you got poison presence, right? That'll be like Joker. And then you've got Penguin with his ducky, which is, if you notice, is it still there or have I moved it? Oh no, I moved it. He's probably down there with Penguin. I bought a ducky because like a wind-up ducky or something, and I was thinking, man, this would be cool for Joker. And my friend Jason goes, dude, it's for Penguin has a duck. So I'm like, damn it, fucking head injuries again. All right, so there's those ones, but then there's also these ones, these black hearts. Don't know what they're supposed to be for, but and you got all these little things there: villain, ambush, explosive, heroes, and then of course on the back you've got the artwork on there. But on these tokens, that you still have the black and white. I mean, black and white hearts. Now let's put that over there. Please don't fall off. Before I get to the board game, let's see what else is in here. Oh, you got this, and I wonder if that's for, like, I guess for the counters. Now, unlike the Marvel Monopoly, which had, these tokens, character tokens, whoops, sorry, like that, made out of metal. It's cold as, well, not cold, it's what, cold to the touch, but that's how I knew it was metal, not plastic, right? They have plastic stands for the cardboard, for the characters, right? which isn't too bad, but I mean, wouldn't it have been cool if it was actual figures, right? You know, people, you know, as a toy collector and board gamer, it'll be cool to actually have friggin' figures, little tiny figures, like we did, right? Not only is it not metal, right? It's not actually figures either, right? And a board game about actual figures, right? Like actual characters and stuff from a toy company. I mean, comic company, right? So these are comic characters. So wouldn't it have been cool to just put out little figures like that, right? As tokens. It's too easy, man. You already have Batman and all these characters already out there in the world in your own, you know, is it Hasbro? Mattel, right? Mattel does, I think Mattel is a licensed Marvel Legends thing, I think. Or was it Hasbro? I can't remember. Hold on. Which one is it? Which one are you, buddy? Tell me. Ah, come here. Ah, I can't even see. That sucks. This one. Made in China. I'm just trying to see over here who actually does it. So you guys probably already know, but yeah. Made in China, Marvel, made in China, what? Hasbro, right? So this one actually has Hasbro. So if you already have companies out there that are creating your toys, why can't you make a little figure, right, as a token, rather than a card like that? Maybe it was cost, but guess what? If you said on the back of the board that you will get metal figures, people would still buy it and be willing to pay a bit more. This is what I mean by sometimes these companies who create stuff don't think about the fans enough, or they hold back, right? Or they just go far enough and then they come back. So between those two, you could have had them between the Monopoly and Marvel Monopoly and Risk Adventures, Marvel Cinematic Universe. You could have had a metal, put those two together, and you could have a metal token, right? It's on the other side. So Monopoly sometimes does those special limited series as well. Like they actually have like metal tokens, right? Lead, whatever they are. I don't think they do lead anymore, but pewter, right? So instead, I got a, you know, plastic, right? Plastic stand, right? With my Betty on there. Where did I just put that? So I just took that out and flip it back in. Huh, weird. Right? And I got to now that. Right? Now that is my token now. A piece of cardboard on a piece of plastic. Where they could have just made a metal figure on a stand like that. Right? And it would have been beautiful. Been amazing. Be loved. But I would have. Anyway, so the other one is you got the bonus cards. With the characters is the Brute. I am Brute. And then you've got like the bonus, whatever it is. And then you've got the other one, which I guess these are the bad and the good. So I guess this is the villain side. Too much light. Villain side, and this is the hero side. Right? Cops. Good cops are heroes, right? Bad cops are villains. That's a given. Okay, so you get 6 dice. 6 white dice. You get a little pouch to put them all in. I guess all these as well. So when you get all your little bits and pieces out, you can put them all in there. So they're kept safe, which is a good idea, by the way. That's at least that's a plus in my book, right? And now that's all there. So those are cards. Yep. Let's put this back and let's talk about the board. So the board itself, right? How does it look, Mr. Magoo? Let's have a look. There's, of course, the map of Gotham. Look at that. Oh. This is how detailed I love to have my map of this land done. Okay. Let me see, just goes through this. Reminds me of being a child looking for, like, I'm looking for here to making sure that like, you know, I remember watching Idle Hands as a kid. And if you haven't seen Idle Hands, and if you're into comics, that's what you got to watch that. It's a horror movie, but it's about an illustrator who loses his hand in an accident, and it's a horror movie. So I'm looking through here like I used to do as a kid, watching horror movies and romantic scenes on thing to see how, you know, if I'm getting it right. So there you go. And there's a bit of glare. Let me see if I can get rid of the glare. To getting rid of it. I can't see it. That's too wide. Yeah. No, I can't get rid of the glare. Sorry, guys. But there you go. The map of Gotham. And you know, I haven't always been a fan of, like, if you guys, you know, just want to let you know, I did grow up watching Batman, same bedtime, same bed channel, right? The glam rock version of Batman TV shows. So that was, my dear friends, the unboxing and the wrong spelling of Savior of Gotham City, Batman. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. That unboxing.